Hello, my name is Craig, and I've built a cute little toy. It's not ready for prime time yet, but I figured I'd show it to you. What this toy does is it takes a couple of lines of pseudocode and it makes in a visual effect a massively parallel object on the canvas. This is not exactly a mathematical structure. It's more like a massively parallel A-life system. I'll show you the code in a little bit, but I wanted to put a little demonstration on. And this is kind of a pretty little pattern. To show you how it works, I should probably use some simpler code. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a much simpler set of codes, like this one. This code is much more basic. You might not even be able to see this if you're looking at it in a small screen. But what it's done is it's created a bar and it's rotating it. So to show you what that code is, this code has the spawn command where it spawns an arm of 20 pixels long at an angle of 0 from the start point. It then freezes that arm. If you don't freeze the arms, if you don't freeze the objects, they disintegrate after they're finished executing. So freezing just says don't execute but stay in existence. Then we do it again, but at a 180-degree angle. So this one bar is actually 2 bars. And then, for the bar we're on, we go ahead and spin slowly. We repeat infinitely, and we increase our angle. So it just creates a spinning little pattern. I'll show you another one here that's slightly more difficult. I'm actually going to reload. I don't want to have both of them on the screen. There we are. So this creates, it sets an output equal to 1 greater than its input, and then it spawns an arm which is curved based on what the input was. This means that as it goes, and then it passes its own code to its children. And this means that as it goes along, it just sits there and curves faster and faster and faster. And then I make it wait a little bit and respawn if it's one of the lucky few that can. And what this creates is it creates effectively a fork bomb, but it's a fairly pretty fork bomb, as you can see in the corner. These don't freeze or repeat infinitely, so they eventually disintegrate, which is why the whole screen isn't filled with garbage. However, it will definitely overwhelm the processor relatively rapidly due to the fact that it forks fairly quickly. Anyhow, I just thought I'd show you.